Mark out the centre point of the shed. Using a stepladder, align the centre of the ridge beam over your pre-marked points, making sure you align the end of the ridge beam with the step of the barge support. Then fasten the beam to the support using the 10x16 self-drilling screws through the pilot holes. Grab your roof sheets and turn up all the valleys at the ridge end using an adjustable spanner. Lay your first roof sheet onto the ridge beam, making sure the middle of the roof sheet crest is in line with the end of the ridge beam. Then fasten your sheet using the 10x16 screws with neo washers. Grab your ridge caps and your stepladder and position your caps over the ridge beam. Overlap the ridge caps in the middle, then use the 10x16 self-drilling screws with neo washers to secure the ridge caps in place, drilling the screws 300mm apart along the entire length of the ridge cap.